All right, so we're going to go ahead and walk through a chiropractic adjustment here. We have a history of some neck pain, upper back pain, primarily from reception and your bank supervisor, right?
Mortgage.
Mortgage supervisor, so for mortgage work, and so lots of tightness here in the upper back, and we're going to adjust through the spine here, okay? Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. There you go. Good. All right. Feel that movement in there? Good. We got some tightness in here as well. And we're going to adjust right through here. Cervicothoracic junction. Relax right in here. Excellent. And same movement right over here. Excellent. Good. Okay, we're going to adjust through the lower back as well. Lay on your side facing this way for me. All right. Go top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Excellent. Give me this arm right over here, right there. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Excellent. Lay on your side facing the opposite way for me. Okay. All right. Let's go top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Straighten out here, right here. Give me this arm right here. I'm going to switch arms right here. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. There you go. Good. Lay face up for me. On your back there. We're going to do a, so she's watched this on videos, YouTube, Facebook. Had her sister on a video before. And we did seated cervical adjustments before. And today we're going to go do what's called a supine adjustment here. Right here. Relax right in here for me. Good. Right here slow. Good. And relax right in here. Good. All right, very good. Thank you very much. We'll help you up here.